Hey everybody, I am back today with an unboxing video. Woo! So this is the August Cherry on Top box. I am so excited to share it with you. It features one of my absolute favorite companies right now, 49th and Market. And yeah, it's going to be beautiful. So let's dive in. First thing you get this month is a roll of vintage plaid repositionable fabric tape. So this stuff is awesome. I have another set of it from another one of their collections. So when you open the box, you get this, which will cut your tape. This is not washi tape. Let me just kind of start that off right there. So it is a fabric. I don't know if you can see that, but it's fabric. It's fabric tape, and it has it's repositionable, so it's not super sticky. So you just kind of put it here, hold on, because you know I messed it up. Lay it down as much as you want. Cut it, and you have tape. Super versatile. Super cute. Like I said, I do have another roll of this, and I think it's so awesome. I cannot wait to play with this, you guys. Like, I cannot wait. I actually looked at this a number of times and almost bought it out of the shop. So when I saw it was in the kit, I was like, yes! So cool. All right, we're going to have fun with that for sure this month. The other thing you get, the mixed media element, which is in every one of these kits so far, and I love it. This one's a small one. You get a little Distress Ink mini cube. Again, this one is walnut stain. I think that is what everybody gets. I think everybody gets walnut stain. I am going to absolutely do a little bit of watercoloring with this, and we'll create a little background and have some fun with that. And then all the goodies. So we have some wishing bubbles and trinkets. This is from everything is from the Vintage Artistry collection. But these are like epoxy coated. It says epoxy coated sticker embellishments. I've actually never tried these from 49th and Market, but they do look really pretty. This whole collection is very neutral, which means if you are someone, I know many people have commented on my heritage photos and said, I have heritage photos, I need to use them. This is the month, because I am going to pull out some of my heritage photos and do some of those to go with this collection. I have in my head already at least like 2 that I want to use. All right, so this one is the Vintage Artistry Essentials Chipboard stickers, which, yeah, you know, I'll pull like most of the back off this, but they are really pretty. I mean, I gotta say, the designs are really pretty. My least loved scrapbooking embellishment. Then we get this washi tape. So this washi tape is totally cool. Okay. So this is washi tape. It is basically like this is a whole sheet. Hold on, I think. Hold on. I'm sorry, my son is behind me, not respecting the fact that I'm shooting a video. So if you hear little noises behind me, that's why. Okay, wait, I want to see something here. Okay, these are cut up. This is what I wanted to see. So these pieces are separate. All of these little pieces are separate washi tape pieces. this is why I do these unboxings, so that we can, you know, you can learn with me and you know what you're getting if you're a subscriber. And then this one, this is the one I think, I think this is a full sheet, right? This is full? Yeah. Okay. So this package, one of these washies, this one is cut apart. So each of these is like a washi sticker. This, which is the second sheet that comes in the package, is like a full piece. And I think it's like 6 by 12. And I have used 49th and Market's washi tape before. Uh-oh, don't do that. Just gonna move this out. All right, adventures in unboxing videos. Okay, then everybody gets a stamp. So the stamp set, everyone's will, I think there's like 3 designs they're picking from. So you're not all gonna get the same one that I got, but that's okay. So this one has these cute little rulers, wander, not all who wander are lost. This one says happiness found. This little camera. I love these little flowers. I feel like those are gonna make an appearance on a lot of these scrapbook pages that I use this kit with. And then there's like these cute little rulers. This is called the Wander stamp set. So we get stamps this month. And then, okay, seriously, this makes my heart so happy. I absolutely love 49th and Market's laser cut ephemera. Love it, love it. I especially love these lace pieces that they do. They are so intricate and so cute and so fabulous. I cannot wait to play with these laser cut ephemera. I love it. I cannot say enough good things about this stuff. Look, more lace pieces. I love all the flowers. That is gorgeous, but you guys know like how obsessed I am with that color. It's crazy. My whole, if I can buy something in this color, I buy it. And 49th and Market, as an aside, if you check out the pre-orders over at Cherry on Top, 49th and Market has another collection coming out with that's like all of this color. It's gorgeous. We'll be unboxing that soon. Okay, so lots of adorable, fun, different embellishments. So these embellishments aren't your normal embellishments, right? You have new things to play with. You have some fabric tape to play with. You've got some laser cut ephemera to play with. These big sheets of washi stickers, and these wishing bubbles, these epoxy stickers. Sometimes you get those. I mean, those are, you know, around, and then, you know, the chipboard, which are just gonna like, psh. For those of you who might be new to my channel and don't know, chipboard is my least liked scrapbooking embellishment. Like, I don't intentionally seek it out, and I don't like purchase it for myself. If I get it, I use it, and it's fine. I just pull a lot of the back off, but I think it smells funny, so and I'm just not a fan. We all have those embellishments. Let me know in the comments below, what embellishments do you have that you're like, I can skip that. Just a note here, this washi, I almost want to try to die cut it. I only have one sheet though, so if I die cut it and it doesn't work, I might feel sad, but I also might try to die cut it just for experimentation purposes. All right, let's go to the paper. So we have, this month, we have something new in our kits. We've never done cardstock before in a cherry box kit, but this month you're gonna get some cardstock. So let me do that first. It's Basil Smooth Natural. So this is a nice smooth. This is about the weight of the coconut swirl cardstock that I use in my silhouette and is like my favorite go-to scrapbooking cardstock. So this is just a different color, but it's the same weight and same thickness, so it'll be nice. And then this one, this deep green, let's see if I can, this is avocado, really pretty deep green. So we get cardstock this month. We haven't gotten cardstock before, and I think that that's a really, really nice addition. Okay, so papers. This is 49. All of these, I believe, are Vintage Artistry Essentials. This one is Savor. I think that's it. So this side is like pre-made, gorgeous background, just photos, all those embellishments. This kit this month is very embellishment heavy, which is awesome because the papers are very neutral. So you can like layer up and play and have a really nice time creating layouts for this. You can see like these are both very kind of neutral. And then the other thing I want to put out here that I really like is that the bottom bits have cute little sayings and little things on the bottom that you can cut apart, the branding strips. Okay, this one is Vintage Artistry Essentials Essence. Again, one side is like kind of pre-made, ready to go background, and then this other side is a little crosshatch and the branding strip again. This is Golden Dream. I love this. Just as an aside, take note that the solid background, the B-side, the branding strip down here, it needs cut off, but it's solid. So when you look at the paper, like you can't see where the branding strip is unless you flip it over. So just make sure before you work with this side on a background that you pull the branding strip off, cut the branding strip off, or you'll have a page that's gorgeous and beautiful and doesn't fit in your page protector. Okay, this one is Vintage Artistry Everyday Zealous. Love this background so much. We are using that one. The other side is really cute. I like it as well. Very nice polka dot, but you guys, like, I don't know, something about this paper, like when I went through, something about this paper is just, it's just calling to me and I love it. I want to like use my craft knife and cut. You know how I always give you guys ideas as to what I'm going to do with these papers, right? So my idea is to like kind of have this be like a bottom heavy layout, but have my photos kind of tuck in around here and then have like another set of embellishments up here and keep it kind of simple because that paper is so pretty. So 1, 2, 3, 4 papers this time and 2 sheets of cardstock and so many gorgeous embellishments. And then we have the fabric tape and the walnut stain. Just as an aside for the cost of a cherry box, I just want to point this out there. So I have some of these repositionable fabric tapes. I love them, but these are not cheap. They run like $15 a box. So when you consider how much a subscription is, being like $32, $33, this is almost half of the cost of the subscription. So, but then you still get all this stuff. Really good deal. Love that about the cherry boxes too. Okay, that is our August cherry box. I am so ready to dig in and start playing with these. And I will talk to you all again very soon. I will leave a description box below the link to sign up. And if you do sign up, you have to sign up before the 25th. So if you sign up for a cherry box before July 25th, this is the kit you're going to get. All right, everybody. See you later. Bye.